Good morning, everyone. Today is Saturday, June 20th, 2026 at 10:20, and today we have our Day 1 outlook to look at for today. So in our Day 1 outlook, we have an enhanced risk that encompasses parts of southwestern and southern Nebraska, eastern Colorado, and northwestern and northern Kansas. We have a slight risk that encompasses parts of eastern Colorado, western Oklahoma, southern to northeastern Kansas, northwestern Missouri, southwestern Iowa, central Nebraska, and parts of eastern Wyoming. We have a marginal risk that encompasses parts of eastern New Mexico, northern Texas Panhandle, through central to northern Oklahoma, southeastern Kansas, western Missouri, southwestern Iowa, northeastern Nebraska, southwestern South Dakota, parts of southern Montana, much of Wyoming, eastern Idaho, and parts of northern Utah. So we do have those areas under a 5% today, or marginal risk today, excuse me. We also have a marginal risk that encompasses eastern to central Louisiana, southern Mississippi, and western Alabama, and extreme western Florida. So we do have those areas under a 5% today. So let's marginal risk for today, excuse me. So let's go ahead and see what we've got for today. Today, we've got a 5% hatch that encompasses parts of southeastern Wyoming, southwestern and southern Nebraska, northeastern Colorado, and north central to northern Kansas. We have a 5% normal that encompasses extreme southeastern Nebraska and northeastern Kansas. We have a 2% that encompasses parts of northern Texas Panhandle, western Oklahoma, extreme northeastern New Mexico, eastern Colorado, southern Kansas, going back through eastern Wyoming, southwestern South Dakota, northwestern through central Nebraska, extreme southwestern Iowa, and western Missouri. So we do have those areas under a 2% tornado risk for today. We have Salina, Manhattan, Hays, Junction City, and Great Bend under the significant severe, and Topeka, Olathe, Lawrence, Salina, and Manhattan under the 5%, and Kansas City, Wichita, Lincoln, Overland Park under the 2%, So for the 5% hatched area, we could see an EF2 tornado possible today. 5% normal, we could see an EF1 tornado possible today, and 2% we could see an EF0 tornado possible today, so please be mindful of that. Going into the wind threat for today, we have a 30% hatch that encompasses parts of southern Nebraska and central and northern Kansas. We have a 15% hatch that encompasses parts of western Oklahoma, eastern Colorado, southern to northeastern Kansas, parts of eastern Wyoming, and southwestern Nebraska as well. We also have a 15% normal that encompasses northeastern Kansas, western Missouri, southwestern Iowa, and back through central Nebraska. We have a 5% that encompasses parts of eastern New Mexico. 5% hatch that encompasses northern Texas Panhandle and eastern Colorado, going into eastern Wyoming as well. Now we have the 5% normal that encompasses eastern New Mexico, northern Texas Panhandle, northern Oklahoma, southeastern Kansas, western Missouri, southwestern Iowa, central Nebraska, southwestern South Dakota, much of Wyoming, southern Montana, eastern Idaho, and northern Utah. So we do have those areas under a 5% for today. We also have another 5% over here that encompasses central to eastern Louisiana, southern Mississippi, and parts of western Alabama. So we do have those and extreme western Florida. So we do have those areas under a 5% today. So we have Wichita, Salina, Manhattan, Hutchinson, and Kearney under the significant severe. Salina, Manhattan, Garden City, Hays, and Junction City under the 30%. Kansas City, Wichita, Lincoln, and Overland Park under the 15%. And New Orleans, Omaha, Baton Rouge, Mobile, and Amarillo under the 5%. So for the 30% hatched area today, we could see 80 to 85 mile per hour wind gusts possible today. 15% hatched, we could see isolated 80 mile per hour wind gusts possible today. 15% normal, we could see 60 to 75 mile per hour wind gusts possible today. 5% hatch, we could see 60 to 75 miles per hour, also possible today. 5% normal, we could see 60 to 70 mile per hour wind gusts possible today, so please be mindful of that. Going into the hail threat for today, we have a 15%. Oh, there's the reset. We have a 30% hatch, that encompasses western Kansas, eastern and northeastern Colorado, southwestern Nebraska. We have a 15% hatch that encompasses parts of northern Texas, parts of western Oklahoma, eastern Colorado, eastern Wyoming, southwestern to southern Nebraska, and north central to through southwestern Kansas. We have a 15% normal that encompasses central to northern Kansas, southern to central Nebraska, and extreme eastern Wyoming. We also have a 5% that encompasses parts of extreme southern Montana, eastern Wyoming, southwestern South Dakota, central Nebraska, southwestern Missouri, southwestern Iowa, northwestern Missouri, northeastern through central Kansas, western Oklahoma, northern Texas Panhandle, and extreme eastern New Mexico and eastern Colorado. So we do have those areas under a 5% hail risk for today. We have Cheyenne, Kearney, Garden City, Dodge City, and North Platte under the significant severe, Garden City and Sterling under the 30%, Cheyenne, Salina, Grand Island, Kearney, and Dodge City under the 15%, and Kansas City, Omaha, Wichita, Lincoln, and Amarillo under the 5%. So for the 30% hatched area today, we could see 3.5 to 4 inch diameter hail possible today. 15% hatch, we could see 1 to 3.5 inch diameter hail possible today. 15% we could see 1 to 3 inch diameter hail possible today. 5% we could see 1 to 2 inch diameter hail possible today, so please be mindful of that today. Going into the summary for today, it says severe thunderstorms are likely across parts of the Central Plains, mainly this afternoon and evening. Large to very large hail, severe winds, some 75 plus miles per hour, and a few tornadoes are possible. So I do really hope that you stay weather aware and stay safe today. There's today's hail risk. There's today's wind risk. There's today's tornado risk. And there's today's day one outlook. So I do really hope that you stay weather aware and stay safe today. Yes, even though today you may be in a marginal risk, you still want to remain weather aware and safe, as you never know what these storms could do in the marginals. Anyway, I do really hope that you have a great rest of your day, and depending on how busy I am, I'll have my day 2 outlook later on this afternoon. In the meantime, stay weather aware, stay safe, and take care.